Hi, today we are going to learn how to make a slip stitch. I've already crocheted a chain of 11. Let me show you how a slip stitch is made. A slip stitch is often used as a closing stitch to mark the end of a row and start another, and it is also used to reduce the stitches instead of decrease, to drastically reduce, like for example, if this is a bird crocheted, in order to get this shape you might use slip stitches. You will see patterns that will use slip stitches, which allows for a sharp decrease. So how to make a slip stitch? You will have your chain. Okay, this is your V of your chain. You will go through the top loop, go under your yarn, bring a loop up. Now you have two loops on the yarn on your hook. In this case, for a slip stitch, you will not go under and pull through like a single crochet stitch. You will just pull your hook through this loop and bring it under the first loop to make a slip stitch. Again, you will go through the V, the top V, go under, pull through. Now you have two loops on your hook. Now you will pull this hook, this loop, underneath the first loop, and that makes your slip stitch. Let me show you again. You will go through the V, go under the yarn, pull up a loop. You will have two loops on your hook, and now you will pull the yarn through the first loop through the second loop. And this is how slip stitches are made in crochet. Keep practicing. Happy crocheting. Bye.